Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark from TikTok video by using Capcut. So in here, what you need to do is find a video that you want to save. Click on this arrow to share button and tap on the save video. And after that, just wait until the video is fully downloaded. So after the video is saved, you can just open your CapCut apps now. So as you know that the TikTok watermark is shown through the entire clip. So what you need to do if you want to hide it in a CapCut by using CapCut, here you can just, the first option is that you can just zooming it in. So click on the video on the clip and just zoom in like this, so the watermark will be hidden, but in the middle usually the watermark will move to the right side. Let's see if it's also hidden. Okay, so now it's fully hidden. So the first options that you can do. The second option is that you can just use masking in here. So you can add a blur effect to the video. Click on blur, adjust it for the entire clip like this, and here you can just copy the clip or duplicate it and make one of the video as overlay. So there are two video, and here on the second video you can go to mask, choose the rectangle one, put it in the watermark at the top right here. Okay, you can adjust and add some feather effect to make it look more natural. Okay, you can just click on the check icon and now the watermark will be gone. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.